Okay, good morning everyone. So last class we have studied trigonometric ratio of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So these are important question. This question used to come in board exam for 3 marks or 4 marks. Fine. Now let's move to, I told you to by heart this table, page number 185. So did you by heart that? Without this you can't solve next exercise. Okay? So let us solve first question, exercise 8.2, question number 1, first part I think, 1 or 8? 1. Okay. While writing the question number also, it's very important. I think I have teach you in class 7 also. How to write question number.
Yes, sir.
Right? If it is question number 1, you will write question number 1. If it is Roman, you will write Roman. If it is numeral, you will write numeral. Okay? Don't change question. Then question number 1, part what? Part 1 is Roman 1 or alphabetic. You have to see that. Same thing you have to write. Instead of writing question number 1, if you write Roman 1, the teacher can cancel your marks. Where is Roman 1 in the question? If you write question number 2, this is question number 1, question number 2 will be like this. If you write Roman 2 like this, where is Roman 2? They can cut your answer and give you 0. Okay? So be careful while writing the question number. Okay? Now tell me what is the question? Full screen, full board is coming?
Sir, it is not coming. It is
Blur.
blurred.
No problem. Full board
Yes,
is
sir.
coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Nothing is.
But that means the time is going on or not?
Yes.
I'll let it be. That is not my problem. No? I can't do two things together. Can we do two things together? Yes. I'm raising my hand, I'm breathing. We can do so many things. Okay, so what is the question?
Sine.
Sine
60 degree.
60 degree
Cos 30 degree.
cos how much?
No, cos 30 degree into sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree.
Into
Cos 30 degree.
30 degree.
Plus sin 30 degree
Sine 30 degree
into cos 60 degree.
cos 60 degree. So this will be 1 I think. Let's see. This is the question. It's very simple. Sine 60 is how much? Right? Pick up one. Root 3 by 2. Sit down. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is how much? Arindam. Root 3 by 2. Plus sine 30 is how much? Milakshi. Think. Sine 30. 1 by 2. Don't be confused. 1 by 2. And cos 60? 1 by 2. Have you seen the table or what? No. I think you are in that table only, right? Page number 1 and 2, right? Hours 5. Okay. I'm writing it just so that I can save some space. Root 3 into root 3? So this will be 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 plus this will be multiplied. 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 2 is 4. Now if you take the LCM, you will be having 4 and this will be 3 plus 1 equals to 4 by 4 equals to 1. That means your answer is 1. I am saving my space, that's why I have written this way, okay? Otherwise, you should write column wise. Okay? In board exam, don't try to save page. Okay? Don't try to save page. Okay? Because for saving page, you will not receive any marks. First one, I have seen this exam also. I think it was Projecta, who I don't remember. Multiple choice question. They have written number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number. What? Why you are writing this book? Write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, number 2, Karthikeya. Question.
Let 2 tan square 45 degree
2 tan square 45 degree
plus cos square 30 degree
cos square 30 degree
minus sin square 60 degree sin square
sin square, no problem. Sin square
60 degree.
60 degree. That's all. Okay, ready? I think it will be true or what? Let's see. 2 into, this one's into, okay, so 2 into 1045. 1045 is 1. So 1 square. If it is a square, you will write square. If it is a cube, you will write cube. Plus cos square 30. So 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Now you can see that this is root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square. This is plus, this is minus. Cancel. No need to take LCM and all. Directly cut it. Same thing. Cancel it. Now this 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. That's all. Finished. Very simple. Okay. Now number 3. Sinmoy. Kalibina?
Yes, sir.
Also?
Cos 45 degree
Cos 45 degree. Okay.
by sec 30 degree
By sec 30 degree.
plus
Okay.
cosec 30 degree.
Plus cosec 30 degree. Okay. Anything else? No. Can we proceed? Okay. Cos 45 means what?
1 by 2.
1 by root 2. Sec 30. So to know sec 30, first of all you should know sec is reverse of reciprocal of what? Cos. So you should know what is cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So this will be reciprocal of that 2 by root 3. Understood or not? So 2 by root 3. Plus, now sin 30 is how much? Half. So this is cosec. Reciprocal of that, it will be. Understood or not? Or confusion? Yes sir, I thought you will say yes sir, confusion. Okay. Now, remember that substituting value is very very important. Correct value. Otherwise you will get wrong answer. If you substitute correct value, but your calculation is wrong, still you will receive 1 mark. Whole calculation is wrong, but still you will receive 1 mark. Okay? So be careful while substituting the value. Just check it in your book, page number 185. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. And cosec 30 is 2. Correct? Now let's move further. Now we can take LCM in the denominator. So when we take the LCM, what will we have in LCM? Root 3. So when we take root 3, how much is root 3?
1.
1 so we will multiply by 1. So we will be having 2. Plus, nothing is here in the denominator, that means 1. 1, how much is root 3? So root 3 will be multiplied with 2, it will be 2 root 3. Any question? No. Now this is a single number and as a whole this is a single number. These are unlike terms, so this cannot be added. Otherwise student what they do? 2 plus 2, 4 root 3. So don't do this type of thing. Okay? Now you know that when something is divided in the numerator, that is multiplied with the denominator. And if something is divided in the denominator, that will be multiplied with the numerator. Okay? So this can be written as root 3. Root 3 will be multiplied by 1. So it will become root 3. And this one, this 2 will be multiplied here, it will be 2 root 2 plus, and this root 2 will be multiplied with this 2 root 6. have you submitted? Huh? Nilakshi, Sneha, Sena, Zariya. It. Okay. Now we know that this is clear or not? That root 2 is been multiplied by each term. Now you know that denominator should not contain root. It is wrong or what?
They should be rational.
Actually, this is not in simplest form. Okay, so we should rationalize this, and after rationalization, when the denominator, when the root will remove, then that will be a correct answer. Okay. Now, when we multiply this one, by which number we will multiply?
2 minus 2.
Yes, same thing. Sign will be opposite. So this one we can write root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay? Do anybody have chocolate or what? Chocolate? Anyone? Supari? Huh? Supari? Okay. Now we'll multiply this one. This will be multiplied with this, it will become, this will be 2 root 6. 2 root 6. This will be multiplied with that 2 root 18. So minus 2 root 18. Is it clear? Now denominator, you can see that this is a plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as 2 root 2 a square minus b square. Okay. Now, just see. This is 2 root 6 minus, this will be 6 root 2. 6 root 2. Why? This 18 can be taken as prime factorization. 2 9s are 3 3s are. And you have studied from class 6 onwards that inside the root, if you are having a pair number, one number will be removed. That means this 3 will be removed and will be multiplied with 2. So it will be 6 root 2. Is it clear? Now this denominator 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus 4 6 are 24. Now this can be, just see, this one when you subtract, what will be having? Minus 16. Minus 16 is even number. Now you can see that numerator you are having even number or not. You can take common. So what I will do, I do directly. I am removing my steps. So I am taking 2 as common. So it will be root 6 minus 3 root 2. And this will become minus 16. Now this 2 and 8 can be cancelled. Okay? Now remember that denominator should not contain negative number. So what we will do, this negative number will take it to the numerator. Okay? And this negative number, when we take it to the numerator, sign changes. So the positive number becomes negative and the negative number become positive. So remember that try not to write negative number first. So what we will do, we will write this one as 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Is it clear to everyone? This will become negative, this will become positive. So I have written positive number first, then minus root 6 and then divided by 8. Is it clear? No. How about that? You should be regular in the school. Understood? Now remember video to silently. Video to silently. YouTube. Okay? Subscribe kori dibi. Like kori dibi. Share kori dibi. Memori kori dibi. How much?
Sir, you took views.
Huh?
Sir, views should be more than 10,000.
10,000. What
Sir,
I
if
should
your subscribers
No, it
are
should be monetized.
Uh-huh.
Sir, it should be monetized.
Yes.
Means?
Sir, after 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 hours of views, it will be monetized and you will get
Sponsors.
$1 for 60, $1 for 8,000 views.
I don't want money. Thank you, thank you. जागा नाही आहे पैशात. Okay. Aratrika, do you know SMS? No. Oh, attendance. Riya, take this attendance. Tell me next question. Number 4. Na? I think other question you can try by yourself. What do you say? Huh? Okay. We'll move to next question. Call them. Call them. Next. Sit down and do.
Nilakshi,
Yes, she is there.
Sneha, Shahnaz,
Oh, Prajakta is here. Do you remember you have written your answer that way? Ah.
Ritrik, Prajakta, Parishmita, Nishita, Nilotpal, Bordoloy, Maharshi, Lopamutra, Lion Jyoti, Kankana,
Absent.
Irfan, Chinmoy, Bidupan, Arindam, Aratrika, Anushmita,
Absent.
Ansh,
Ansh, absent.
Afreen,
Present.
Abhinav,
Abhinav, absent.
Ashmita, absent.
Ashmita, absent.
Sudarshan, absent.
Thank you.
Sir, my name is
I've given it.
Ritam, present is given. Ritrik,
Sir, I have
absent you have given.
Sir,
Kartike, Kartike's name is there. No. Then write Kartike. This is your first class, I think, or second class. Last class also will be present.
So these homeworks you will be doing the
Classwork copy. This homework you will do it in your classwork copy. Okay, question number 2. Other 2 questions you will try it by your own. Okay, if you get any confusion, don't ask me. Okay. This is very simple question. If you can't, then commit suicide. Choose the if you don't know, then ask me. No problem. I'm just joking. Don't commit suicide. Choose the correct option and justify your answer. It's given 210. Question number 2, I think. 2. Number 1. Okay. 2. 10-30 degree by
1 plus 10 square 30 degree.
1 plus 10 square 30 degree. 10 square 30 degree. Okay. Okay. Now 10-30. Karthik, what is 10-30? What is 10-30? How many of you have not by heart this table? I will ask one by one. And if you don't know, you get punishment. many of you have not by heart this before? One is Karthikeya. Proud. Your book? Last class I made paper and I told you to by heart this. Did you draw that? Did you draw that? You are by heart. Make this book and by heart. You are the then root 3 by 4. Very good. Go there. First lesson. Have you done? Have you by heart this? Go. You do one. Then that you. Go. 100. Do not take second option. Sit down. So 1030 is 1 by root 3. So this is 2 into 1 by root 3. And this is 1 plus 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Now this can be written as 2 by root 3 and this can be written as 1 plus 1 by 3. Now this can be written as 2 by root 3. You can't transfer this number to the denominator until and unless there is a single number in the denominator. These are two different numbers. So you have to make a single number by taking the LCM. Then only you can transfer. So this will be 3, 3 plus 1. Okay? Okay? Now you will be having 2 by root 3 and remember that this equal is important. If this equal, if you write it here, that means wrong. So always remember that when you will give an equal, give the main line and then do whatever you are doing. If you write this one, like this is equal, this is the main line. If you write this equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it has different meaning. It means that this is the numerator and this whole is the denominator. Understood or not? So it has a different meaning. This equal also, it's very important. Understood or not? So be careful while giving equal. Give equal and then give the main line, and after that whatever you want to do it. Okay, now denominator will be 4 by 3. Clear? Now you are having a single number. This will multiply here and this will multiply here. So you will be having 6 by 4 root 3. Do you have value like this in your option? No. So what we can do, we can cancel this one. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So we are having 3 by 2 root 3. Are you having option like this? No. What you are having option? Sin 60, cos 60, something like that, right? So you don't have value like this in your table. But you know that denominator you are having root, that means you can solve this question further, right? Because option, whatever the option is being given in the question, is not matching with this. Okay? Like suppose if you have answered 3 by 2, that is finished. You can't solve further. But you are having root 3 in the denominator, that means that can be rationalized further. So we can write this one as 3 root 3 by 2 into 3. Any problem? I have multiplied by root 3 in the numerator as well as denominator. So this becomes 3 root 3 and in the denominator 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Is it clear? Now this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled. Now you are having root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means what?
Sin 60.
That is given in the option. So we can say that this is sin 60 degree. Okay? Therefore, option, which option? A is correct. Therefore, option A is correct. Therefore, option A is correct. If you are thinking that this chapter is a joke, masti, remember that this chapter will be very very difficult to understand. If you don't do regular practice, this chapter you will never be able to solve. Guarantee. If you don't practice regularly, regular practice is needed. If you don't do that, I'm telling you, you can't solve. Okay? Number 2.
1 minus 10 square 45
1 minus 10 square 45.
degree by 1 plus 10 square 45.
Answer will be 0. 10 square 45. Okay. Now this one, this is 1 minus 10 45 means 1. So this will be 1 square. 1 plus 1 square. This can be written as 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. So this will be 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is what? 0. Is there any option like 0?
Yes.
There is. Then that option is correct. Which option? D.
D.
D. D for dog.
Yes.
Ah, that's what. So D, option D is correct. Number 3. In future, if you want to know this chapter again, you can watch video. Okay, this is good. So that it will be clear. That means your doubt will be cleared again. Okay. Whenever you feel like I forgot the basic concept or something, you go through the video and you will understand. Okay. Something is good in this COVID-19, right? Lockdown. Otherwise, teacher used to get angry. हाँ, 2 महीना पहले सिखाया तो भूल गया तुम, मुझे हम नहीं सिखाए. But now, you can see. Okay. Number 3 question.
Sine.
Sine
2a
sine 2a
is equal to 2 sin
Sine.
2 sine
is true when
is true and a is equal to question mark. Okay. Now there is a formula. Sine 2a, there is a formula that you will get in class 11. Okay. And even I don't remember that formula now. So there is another way to solve this. Actually, for 1 mark question, we want answer only. How you are solving it does not matter. Okay? Instead of solving this completely, if you know, if you can do it in your mind, 10 45 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by anything is 0, I got answer. So you can write your answer directly, no need to solve. For 1 mark question. I saw some of the students, they have solved. I think Anushmita, she has solved all the questions, and there will, you also I think, you have solved. You are wasting your time. Okay, so don't do that. If you want to solve, you solve. If your handwriting is very speed, you can write, no problem. Okay, but it's better to sometimes you ignore this thing. Okay, so this one, there is another way to solve this. What we can do, we can substitute the value of a. Definitely there will be option 30, 60, 45 and something, right? So we will take the first option.
0.
And while doing this, you should do this one in your brain. You should not waste, you can't take 4 options directly. You just think, what is the first value?
0.
Do it in your brain. 0. Let it be 0. 2 into 0.
0.
Sine 0 is? So you got LHS as 0. This is 0. A is 0. So sine 0 is? 2 into 0? Or LHS equals to RHS 0, 0. So no need to see other option. This option is correct. Okay. So we will solve it. Let A is equal to 0 degree. Okay. LHS is sine 2a. So this is sine 2 into 0 degree. This is sine 0 degree. Sine 0 is 0. Now we can take RHS. 2 sine A. 2 sine A means 0 degree. Now 2 sine 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Okay? That means A must be 0 degree. Therefore, option what? Therefore, since LHS is equals to RHS, since LHS is equals to RHS, therefore option A is correct. That's all. If you substitute other value, you will not get answer. Let's check it. What is the second option? 30 degree. So if we take this as 30 degree, it will become 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That means you are getting root 3 by 2. This is your LHS. Now this is sin 8. That means A is 30 degree. So 30 means half. So 2 into half is? So you are getting RHS as 1 and LHS as root 3 by 2. Are they same? So wrong again. Then 45. Now this will become 90. So sin 90 is? So this will be 1. Now this is 45. So sin 45 is? 1 by root 2. That means when you solve 2 by root 2. That means you are not getting answer. Understood or not? So if you substitute the value, you will see that any one option will be correct. So you just check it, okay? Okay? Now next question. Number 4 is also there, what? Done? Okay. Then close the book.
Sir, it's a little.
Huh?
Sir, I have learned time realizing this.
How much time is left? 4 minutes. I think that question you can try it by your own, or I have to help you. Number 4?
No, sir.
I have to help you. Let's do it quickly. Number 4. Tell me the question.
210 30 degree.
210
30 degree.
30 degree by
1 minus 10
10 square
30 degree.
30 degree. Okay, we can write this one. 2 into 10 30 is what?
1 by 2.
1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3 whole square. Now this can be written as 2 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by 3. Now this can be taken as 2 by root 3. 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, this is very important. This equal is very, very important. Okay, be careful while writing this equal. Now this can be written as 2 by root 3 and this is 2 by 3. Now what we can write this one?
6 by 2.
6 by 2 root 3. Now this can be cancelled. Do you have option like this? Huh?
No.
No. No option is like this, right? So what we can do? We can rationalize this one. So we can rationalize this. We will be having 3 root 3 by 3. 3 cancel. We are having root 3. Root 3 is what?
10, 60.
It can be 1060 or it can be
Cot
cot 30. Just see which option is given. 1060. So this is 1060 degree. Therefore option C is correct. C is correct. Question number next. Question number next is given if, this is important question. If 10, question number 3. It is given if 10 a plus b equals to what? Root 3 and 10 a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, and here condition is being given. Condition is being given a greater than b. Okay, and one more condition was there that a plus b greater than, not equal to,
No.
greater than 0 degree.
lesser than or equal to 9.
Less than or equal to?
Sir, a plus b.
A plus b less than equal to 90 degree.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you should start from the beginning. 90. Okay. It means that when you plus, first of all, this is the condition: A must be greater than B. A and B are what? This is theta. So A must be greater than B. Okay. Second condition is given: when you plus A and B, it must be greater than 0. Greater than 0. That means it can be 1 degree, 2 degree, 10 degree, whatever. But another condition is given: A plus B must be less than 90 degree. Less than or equal to. That means when you add A and B, you may get 90 degree, or if you get less than 90 degree also no issue. Is it clear? Is it clear? So we'll write this one as, ready? We'll say that this is very important question. 10 A plus B equals to root 3. Okay? You have to observe what is given on the left hand side.
10.
10. You have to think the value. 10, how much is root 3?
40, 30, 60.
So questions are arranged such a way that this and this will be equal. So root 3 means 60. So we can say that 10 A plus B equals to 10 60 degree. Any problem? Any problem? This is what? 10 and this as a whole is what? Angle. So can we say that this is 10 theta and this is 10 theta. 10 is same. So theta will be same. Are you getting my point or not? LHS is always equal to RHS. So 10 is same. So theta will be same. So we'll say that A plus B equals to 60 degree. Let it be equation 1. Now another one, 10 A minus B equals to 1 by root 3. Now 10, how much is 1 by root 3?
30.
So this will be 30 degree. So 10, 30 degree. Now 10 is same. We'll be having A minus B equals to 30 degree. Let it be equation 2. Okay. Now you know elimination method, substitution method. Do what you want to do. Equation 1 plus equation 2 or equation 1 minus equation 2, your choice. B cancel. Twice is 45. A is equal to 45. Okay. And B will be 50. Substitute that value, you will get your answer. Done. So A and B, when you add A and B, that is greater than 0, and when you add A and B, that is less than or equal to 90. A plus B is, I think, 60. So that is less than 90. That means yes, our option is correct. Now A must be greater than B. So definitely A is greater than B. Okay. Now this formula you will by heart and will come in the next week. Without this formula, you can't solve next exercise. And this is the most important exercise of your chapter. And maximum questions come from this exercise only. So write this formula and try to by heart this formula. Formulate. Number 1. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Right, go and write. Now what do you have?
Biology.
Biology. Do you remember one day I have told you that tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta?
Yes.
So cot theta is the reciprocal of that means cos theta by sin theta. Number next. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Remember that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin theta plus cos theta is never 1. Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta is never 1. Only sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And if we want, we can prove it also. How? Sin theta means what? P by x. There is a square. So can we say that p square by x square? This is LHS. Plus, what is cos? P by x. So can we say that b square by x square? If we take the LCM, you will be having x square and this will become p square plus b square. P square plus b square is what? X square. So this can be written as x square by x square. If you cancel this one, you got 1. If you take sin theta plus cos theta, you will never get. Cube, you will never get. Okay? Only square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. From this you can get another formula also. Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Or you can get cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay? Now another formula, I am writing it here. Okay? Number 6. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Remember that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Then this can be written as sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. Any problem? This one has been transferred there. So this will transfer the result of sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. Or you can say that sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. You have to by heart all this formula. Okay? And you should know that which formula shall we apply. This is very confusing exercise and very important. Okay? Now one more is there, number 7. And that is 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. Same way this can be written as cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Okay? Remember that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. It's not tan square theta minus sec square theta. Are you getting my point or not? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Tan square theta minus sec square theta is not 1. Is it clear? So try to by heart everything properly. And next day we will be needing this. Okay? So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Be safe and be healthy.